on your feet. C for cat, soft and small. D for dog, loves to call. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swims all day long. G for grapes, purple and green. H for hat, looking so keen. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jelly, wobbles in my tummy. K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for monkey, swinging with cheer. N for nest, birds live here. O for orange, juicy and round. P for parrot, makes a funny sound. Q for queen with a golden crown. R for rainbow, colors all around. S for sun, shining so bright. T for train, jogging in sight. U for umbrella, up in the rain. V for violin, playing again. W for whale, swimming so free. X for xylophone, music for me. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra, striped all around.
Says A, apple red and round, hooray. B says beep, 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 the baby laughs and claps with glee. C says D, D, A, the cat is climbing up a tree. E says D, 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 the dog is digging 1, 2, 3. E says E, 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 elephant is big and free. F says F, 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 fish is swimming, splash and swish. G says G, 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 goat is jumping, look at me. H says H, 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 happy hippo hums a bit. S says I, ice cream cold and sweet, oh my. J says J, 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 jumping jolly jellyfish. K says K, K, key, kite is flying high today. L says L, 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 lion roars so loud, hooray. N says M, 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 monkey swings from tree to tree. N says N, 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 night is shining, stars so free. O says O, 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 orange juicy, yum, let's go. P says P, 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 penguin waddles 1, 2, 3. Q says Q, 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 queen wears a golden crown. R says R, R, rainbow colors all around. S says S, S, snake is sliding soft and slow. T says T, 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 train is chugging fast and low. U says U, 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 umbrella up when raindrops fall. V says V, 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 violin plays a lovely call. W says W, W, whale is waving in the sea. X says X, 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 xylophone plays a melody. Y says Y, 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 yellow sun shines in the sky. Z says Z, 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 zebra runs and zooms right by.
A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for ball, we bounce on the bed. C is for cat, with whiskers so long. D is for drum, we bang a fun song. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, so tall in the zoo. H is for hat, that looks great on you. I is for ice cream. take flight. O is for octopus with arms that sway. P is for penguin, waddling all day. Q is for queen with her crown so bright. R is for rainbow, a colorful sight. S is for star twinkling in the sky. T is for train zooming quickly by. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin that we love to play. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for xylophone with tunes of glee. Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Red is for apples, juicy and bright. Blue is the sky, so clear and light. Yellow is the sun, shining all day. Green is the grass where we love to play. Orange is a fruit, tasty and sweet. Purple are grapes, a yummy treat. Pink is for flowers, soft and fun. Black is the night when the day is done. White is the snow, falling down. Brown is the teddy, soft and round. Gray is the cloud, up so high. Rainbow colors fill the sky. White is the snow, falling down. Brown is the teddy, soft and round. Gray is the cloud, up so high. Rainbow colors fill the sky. Red is for apples, juicy and bright. Blue is the sky, so clear and light. Yellow is the sun, shining all day. Green is the grass where we love to play. Orange is a fruit, tasty and sweet. Purple are grapes, a yummy treat. Pink is for flowers, soft and fun. Black is the night when the day is done. White is the snow, falling down. Brown is the teddy, soft and round. Gray is the cloud, up so high. Rainbow colors fill the sky. Colors are everywhere, look and see. What's your favorite? Tell it to me. A is for apple, juicy and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat with whiskers so neat. D is for dog with paws and feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for goat who climbs up high. H is for horse who gallops by. I is for ice cream, tasty and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite that soars so tall. L is for ladybug, tiny and small. M is for monkey who swings in trees. N is for nest with eggs in the leaves. O is for octopus swimming with grace. P is for parrot in a colorful place. Q is for queen with a shiny gold crown. R is for rainbow with colors all around. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for tiger with stripes black and white. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin that loves to play. W is for whale big in the sea. X is for xylophone making tunes happily. Y is for yo-yo spinning so fast. Z is for zebra running past. Now we know our ABC. Sing along and smile with me. A is for alligator, so big and so strong. B is for bear, who roars all day long. C is for cat, who purrs in the sun. D is for dog, always ready for fun. E is for elephant, with a trunk so tall. F is for fox, who loves to run and crawl. G is for giraffe, so tall and so neat. H is for hippo, with huge muddy feet. I is for iguana, slow and so green. J is for jaguar, the fastest you've seen. K is for kangaroo, jumping up high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for narwhal, swimming with ease. O is for owl, wise and so bright. P is for penguin, waddling in sight. Q is for quail, with feathers so fine. R is for rabbit, hopping in line. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for tiger, with stripes that glow. U is for unicorn, magical and true. V is for vulture, flying so blue. W is for whale, swimming so deep. X is for Zurus, a squirrel that leaps. Y is for yak, with fur so thick. Z is for zebra, with stripes that stick.